Trump promised a big, beautiful tax bill that would change the game. But who really came out on top and who got left holding the bag? Let's break down the winners and losers in this tax roller coaster. So, what exactly was this big, beautiful tax bill? Back in December 2017, Congress passed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, a major shakeup for American wallets. It was pitched as a way to cut taxes for families, boost business, and jumpstart the economy. The headline moves: corporate tax rates slashed from 35% all the way down to 21%. New individual tax brackets, and some major shifts in deductions. Think standard deduction, child tax credit, and a cap on state and local tax write-offs. Alright, let's talk about the winners. First up, businesses. The corporate tax cut was huge, almost a 40% drop overnight. Companies celebrated, stock markets shot up, and CEOs scored some seriously sweet bonuses. For a lot of middle-class families, the bill meant lower tax rates and a bigger standard deduction. That meant fatter paychecks for some, and bigger tax refunds for others. Seriously, some folks felt like they hit the jackpot, at least for a while. Quick fact, that corporate tax cut, it was estimated to pump $1.5 trillion into the economy over a decade. Pretty controversial, but definitely a headline. But you know what they say, for every winner, there's a loser. Some middle-income families, especially in high-tax states like New York and California, actually saw smaller refunds or even owed more once those deduction changes kicked in. Suddenly, that big, beautiful bill didn't look so shiny. On top of that, the federal deficit took a hit. The tax cuts are expected to add over $1 trillion to the national debt. That's money that could get pulled from things like schools, roads, or social programs down the line. But wait, there's a twist. Some of the bill's perks are set to expire after 2025. So what feels like a win for families today might vanish in a couple of years. Plus, new limits on deductions like the cap on state and local taxes left some people scrambling come tax season. If you felt confused or caught off guard, you're not alone. So what's next? The tax bill shook up America's wallets, but the story definitely isn't over. With politics and the economy shifting, the big debate now is, should these cuts stay, get tweaked, or be rolled back? Only time and a lot more debate will tell. So, who do you think won or lost the most from Trump's tax bill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into politics and money.